Finding ways to stay ahead of the game in dairy ingredients for the benefit of our customers is what I do on a daily basis. Our scientists' main focus is to work with and for customers in the APAC region. Their needs can vary from achieving cost-effective nutritional benefits in instant dairy drinks to creating indulgent and refreshing yogurt formats. Because our scientists have such great understanding of our ingredients and how they interact in the final food and beverage application, we can optimize our ingredients to deliver the right benefits. For instance, we can balance inclusion rates and improve stability of affordable dairy solution like fat-filled milk powder in instant dairy drinks. I'm also involved with the work of our ingredient excellence teams that stretches far beyond dairy. As a global team, we are committed in discovering the best possible sensory and functional properties across our full ingredient portfolio like nuts, coffee, cocoa, dairy, and spices. One of my personal favorite is actually an example of our commitment to valorization. At OFI, we developed a soluble cascara powder made from washed and recovered coffee cherry fruit. Coffee cherry fruit is a byproduct of coffee bean processing. I'm truly excited because we are able to develop processes to upcycle and convert our side products into value for our customers and our farmers. My passion is working with customers, engaging with customers in creating differentiated products and successful solutions that sell in the market. Each successful innovation of our customer is a testament to our shared dedication and hard work.